let's discuss gold now. So here is our gold chart. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see that gold is moving between these channels that we're considering. So first is this descending channel, telling us that partly we're still in a downward trend. However, on the shorter term, we're having gold in this ascending channel. So this is an ascending channel and gold is trading right there, making higher highs and higher lows here. But we are at a very critical point right now, and this is that critical point. The confluence of that descending channel and the midpoint of this ascending channel. So this is the midpoint of the ascending channel, while this is the top of the descending channel. So gold is just heading towards that area. So, and that will be a deciding factor for gold, for us to actually know what's next to experience or to expect from gold. If gold is able to close above this channel, then there is potential for gold to move to new highs like this and also this high, and most likely head to the top of this channel. But if we are unable to get a break above this, then gold will be sent down back towards the low of this channel. So here is a place you pay attention to. It's not time to be buying from here. So it will be wise for us to wait to see what happens right here before you take your next action on gold. So the next 4 hours will be telling us where we should be expecting gold to move to, whether we'll be getting a break above here, or whether we'll get a bounce back to the downside, or whether we're going to get a fake out. And what do I mean by a fake out? We may get gold close above, then some traders will think that it has closed above and start taking long positions. Then you may see the next candle close back within, and if it does, then that will be bearish signal taking price down to this area. So whatever happens, just know that we are in a place where this next movement of gold will be decided. I hope this video helps you. So if this video has added value to you, kindly hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, and do not hesitate to leave your comments